Have another Team Marine tech tip for today. We're going to talk about one of the most neglected items on your boat, and it's not even the part that stays in the water. So we're talking about the trailer. We're going to lift and spin the wheels today, tell you what to look for. It's really easy to do at home, and if there's any issues, then you can bring it in and have us fix it, or fix it yourself. Once you have it jacked up, you're going to want to give it a spin. You want to listen for any growling or anything. If it's quiet when you spin it, that means the bearings are still good. Well, after you figure out that the bearings are still good, you're going to want to take your hand on the top and the bottom of the tire. You're going to want to move it back and forth and see if there's any play. This actually has some play in it. So what you would do next is either bring it to us, you would knock this cap off and you would tighten the nut up until there's no play left in your wheel bearing. You do not need to take the tire off for that, but if you do need to change that, then you would have to take the tire off and then torque it back to spec. Also, you're going to want to look behind the tire and make sure that there's no grease on the inside of the rim. If there's grease on the inside of the rim, it means there's probably water in there, and you're going to have bad seal in the back, so you would have to replace the bearings and the seal. This is a good thing to check in the spring. Make sure that these are all, both sides are good. Then you don't have any problems during your boating season, and enjoy your season.